if you want to change your pointer plus have a cross, just like this, stay tuned and we'll get into the video. Okay guys, so first you want to go over to search, you want to go mouse or mouse settings, and then you want to click on this what says additional mouse options, and then you want to go over to pointers, and you want to go on to browse, and you can pick any one of these. There's loads, but if you want the cross, sorry about the background guys, if you want the cross you can choose any one. You can choose like you want to go around just around halfway and you want to see cross eye, click on that and then click apply, and then you got your cross. So sorry about the background noise. And then so if you want to change it back, go over to here, mouse settings again, additional mouse options, pointers, then use default and apply. So yeah, that's all for today. That's how you change your mouse pointers. So yeah, if this helped, leave a like and comment and say what you want to see next. So see ya.